Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. As you see in our title, we will be unbagging our December, I'm not sure if it was supposed to be November, December, or December, January Tribe Beauty Box. Either way, it's the first unboxing for the new year. Happy New Year to all of you, okay? So for those of you who are not familiar with Tribe Beauty Box, I will leave information down below so that if you choose to try it out based on what you see today, you will have all of the information readily available, okay? So when we open up our bag, the first thing we have is our Tribe Beauty Box description card, okay? Now with this one, it says, hello beautiful, here's what's in your Tribe Beauty Box. Well, the first item, okay, which they packed so very nicely, everything was enclosed in bubble wrap. So the first item we have is by Illamasqua, all right? And this is a variant item. You had one or two to choose from. The one that I chose is Unveiled Artistry, and that's this palette right here. And it says the Unveiled Artistry palette is a 12 color intense neutral shades in matte, satin, and shimmer finishes. The palette that I received is the Expressionist Artistry palette, all right? And it says the Expressionist Artistry palette is 12 highly pigmented bold shades to color, clash, and express yourself. Illamasqua is renowned for its pigment payoff, formulated to seamlessly blend and build upon, and enables you to be the master of your own creation. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $50. Now, as you heard, there are 12 shades. Well, this is what the actual palette looks like, okay? And it does come with a mirror, so of course we're going to cover that so it does not give you challenges with your eyes, okay? So inside there is a sheet that has the names of the shades on them, and this is what the shades look like. How about that? Not bad, right? Okay, and I think we should go ahead and swatch them and see what it looks like. So I'm going to do matte and shimmer. So I'll do 2 of each. This is what those shades look like. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and swatch them. Okay, so these are the shades that I did swatch. Starting from the top, the first one is Zealous. The second one is Chutzpah. The third one is District. And the fourth one is Honor. Okay, so I'm liking them. I'm really liking this iridescent shade right here. The second one, that would look really nice over top of something else. It would really make it pop. So, which we'll find out when we do a first impressions, a try on, and review, okay? I've gotten a word that y'all really did enjoy that, so I needed to bring it back. So that I will do. Okay, so then that is the first item. The second item that we have is a variant item as well. And I received the Elena Dead Sexy Perfume. And this is what that bottle looks like. Okay, now I have received this previously in another box, but okay, let me show you something. Look through the bottom. Do you see the skull and crossbones on? Oh, yes. Okay. So nonetheless, this one is by the company Tokyo Milk. And it says it's a decadently different collection of brilliantly paired fragrance notes housed in an alluring glass bottle, okay? And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $42. Now this one says it's a combination of deep vanilla, exotic wood, white orchid, and ebony. Now, let's see. Oh, it's not bad. I think I already put something on. Let's just spray it over top of our shadows, okay? And then okay. It's one of those kind you spray it, just give it a second before you make a decision. Give it a second, okay? It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, moving right along. The next item that we have is by Wander Beauty. And of course, you've seen this before. You're very familiar with this mascara on my channel. This is the Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. And it says in just one swipe, this jet black mascara defining and lengthening formula takes lashes to new heights. The wand's precise bristles grab and coat every lash for a full, flirty, fanned-out effect, formulated with nourishing, conditioning, lash-loving ingredients to strengthen lashes with every swipe. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $34, okay? And of course, I have the shade Black. And this is what the packaging itself looks like. Okay, and it is a 0.35 ounce tube, which I do like because you can squeeze it. Make sure you get all of the mascara or all of the product out of the tube. Okay, so that is item number 3. And then the next one we have is a trio. All right, and this is the SF Glow Gold Face, Lip, and Eye Masks, okay? And this is how they come. I'll show them to you individually in just a moment. And it says it's vegan face, lip, and eye masks. Fake 8 hours of sleep in 20 minutes to achieve radiant, soft, soothed, and nourished skin. Apply the mask to clean skin. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then gently massage to absorb any excess. No need to rinse. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this trio is $18. So with the lip mask, it says Suns Out, Pouts Out. Gold foil lip mask, and it says, of course, it's one use, and it is vegan, and it soothes, nourishes, makes you have kissable lips, and softens. Okay? This, of course, is a one-use mask, okay? Then we have the I Woke Up Like This eye mask, okay? Once again, a one-use, and it soothes, nourishes, brightens, and tightens, okay? Not bad. And then the last one, alrighty then, the last one says Glam Straight, okay, with a lot of attitude, okay? And this one says fake 8 hours of sleep in 20 minutes. Okay, and this is the Gold Foil Face Mask. And this one is designed to give you radiant, softer, soothed, and nourished skin. Okay, and that's the next item. The last one is by Daily Concepts, and this is the facial scrubber. You've seen this on my channel as well, and this is conveniently the right size, designed with pockets to slip your fingers in and choose your texture for better control. The innovative textures with micro scrubber technology are just right for a daily soft wash or for an exfoliant wash. Both perfect for your face. Okay, I bought a case of these. They were that good, and all my little people enjoyed them. And they said it is travel size, and it's multi-use. So I really love what they do with these, all right? Now, we know we can't always control what happens in life, but we can control our reaction. And most of the times, we find that a shower or a bath will lead us to the solution. We work to inspire and get inspired, delivering daily concepts and everyday products that enhance the human experience. Now, there is one feature that they have on here which I think is amazing. What they have is something called smart technology, and it's so good they have a patent pending on it. Now, often we use things, we don't necessarily know when we should throw them away. We wash them, bring them back out. However, what they've done is they have writing on the strap that you hang it with, and it says, "Replace me when the writing fades." I love that. I have it on their body buffers as well as on the face scrubs. That is a fantastic idea. I know just when it's time to throw it away and move on to the next. So this was pretty interesting. I do like the items that were in this bi-monthly box, okay? Now, once again, I want to say Happy New Year to you. Thank you for choosing to spend time with me on today, okay? Now, these are the items that were included in this bi-monthly box. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for all the items that were enclosed, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.